Alright guys, we're going to be installing these LED headlights on this 91 S10. It has some fancy sequential turn signals on it. Alright, high beams and low beams. High beams again. Alright, that's stock. Alright, so these are the low beams for the new headlights. High beams, low beams, and high beams one more time. So let's go ahead and get this grill off and get them installed. Alrighty, so went ahead, got the first one out, so it looks like we're professionals on this one, and I just gave away the trade secret. So, for every headlight you have this, the main assembly, then you have an adapter. Say if you don't have this plug, you just plug this into the headlight, and then you have 3 wires that you could literally just jam in any old wiring harness. Then it comes with, for each headlight, you have 2 little strands of yellow. If you're picky like me, you can see that it has yellow and red. I prefer that the colors match. Doesn't really matter. The wires are gonna transmit. It doesn't matter. That's just a visual thing for somebody like me. And then, yeah, so let's get those installed. Alright, so in order to get these out, you have 4 screws. You can just take the top 2 out, but maybe pulling all 4 might be easier. So you just grab your good old screwdriver and you pull them out. If they are crusty, you might get lucky and they just come out like so. If not, maybe hit them with some penetrant like PV Blaster or WD-40 or whatnot. But yeah, so you get those out. Alrighty, so behind here you'll see the headlight, so you go ahead and unplug that and damn near have the bulb fall out. So got the bulb out, and then throw that in the trash. Grab your new light bulb. And so you're going to want to extend these wires before you go ahead and put it in. But you'll extend it. You'll shove those wires through the hole back there. And it'll be like so. And then you put that back in, put your things in there, and that's that. So let me get that done. All right, so these have these like little push guys, and you can just literally push them on. I don't want to use those. We want something a little bit more weatherproof. So I just went ahead and cut and spliced them together and put some shrink tubing over there. Keep them nice, waterproof, watertight. So now we'll go ahead and get this thrown in there. All you gotta do is just pretty much put her in. Ooh, got them. So got the wires ran through back here. So obviously you're gonna plug your headlights together. Then you're gonna want to run these up here. So if you have an S10 that you're putting these on, you have marker lights that are right here. You could just tap into these. We opted to just chop them out. And so we're just using these for wiring into there. So what I would do if I was you, so go ahead and strip these two wires and basically find out which bulb is blinking, if you want to delete one or if you just want to add on to it. Find out which one, find the wires to it, strip a little bit back or whatever, and you could take the wires off of here and then basically touch those to the light bulb area and then go test to see which one. I'll kind of get this set up so that way I can show you what I'm talking about. Alrighty, so what we did, just twist up some random wires that were from a light bulb. So this light in particular had a running light and a turn signal. So that means one of these wires will be for a running light and the other will be for a turn signal. And this particular LED headlight has running lights and turn signals. So if you want to flip the lights on, so that is your running setup. So obviously you'll have your amber lights here, and then you got some nice little running white lights for the turn signals. And if he hits the turn signal, boom, you got some baller turn signals. So we'll go ahead and finish up this wiring and then we'll be good to go. Alrighty, so there it is. Pretty much throw the grill back on and all that good stuff, and you got yourself some baller headlights. So it's that simple. Alright, so if you're looking to get some of these headlights, just go ahead and link in the description. And yeah, they're pretty freaking baller. So I'm happy with them. They turned out dope. So let's go finish off this video. You guys already have seen it, but you guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. I don't know if I'm going to be able to film that.